Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorial. This video will help you to understand which Microsoft roles are required to manage a Microsoft Purview page as a security and compliance administrator. To manage Microsoft Purview or Microsoft 365 Purview features, especially those related to security, compliance, and identity, you typically need a combination of Microsoft Entra ID roles and Microsoft Defender/compliance roles. The minimum roles usually required are Security Administrator, Compliance Administrator, Global Reader or Security Reader, Privileged Role Administrator, only when assigning roles. But depending on the Purview feature, additional roles may be required. For assigning a role, we can either add it from Microsoft 365 Admin Canner or from Entra Admin Center. As I am Global Admin, I cannot add myself any other roles from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Open Entra Admin Center to assign the role. Select Roles and Administrator tab. I am going to assign myself as Compliance Administrator and Security Administrator. Compliance Administrator. Full access to Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal. Can manage DLP, information protection, insider risk, e-discovery, and compliance preview features. Security Administrator. Full access to Microsoft Defender XDR, identity protection, conditional access, and security settings. Can manage security policies and review alerts. Why you need multiple roles. Microsoft Purview pages often combine Identity, Entra ID, Security, Defender XDR, Compliance, Purview, Teams/SharePoint/Exchange integrations. So a single role rarely covers everything. Once we assign the role, we can verify it by checking user profiles. For the sensitivity label, first time we need to enable the feature from Microsoft Purview page so that it will apply on OneDrive and SharePoint and other services tenant-wide. For the sensitivity label, first time we need to enable the feature from Microsoft Purview page so that it will apply on OneDrive and SharePoint and other services tenant-wide.